Hi friends, to fix the hinge broken, here I went with a local or a new technique which is quite effective than using a hot glue, where I've used flux bonding solution, and then here you see fine particles, sand particles, and then I'll show you where I got this from. I exactly got this from this area, okay, where we have the ants creating these things. So first thing that I do is using the tester or something, we got to create tiny scratches here, very tiny scratches, okay, and then and then using this same, take the fine sand particles, refine, decently sprinkle over, get it. So, and the next step is we're going to take this piece, the broken part, and try to align. So try to match with, see these things, make sure it is fit properly, and then okay, it's almost there. Once that's done, now gently bring the flux, carefully place a drop. As you could see, it got spread under. As we have placed the soil particle, there was little gap, so that got covered with the glue. Now there should be a proper bonding between the broken nut and the bottom body. And again, we can go ahead with one more layer of applying the fine sand. And just carefully make sure you don't sprinkle this soil particle to the bit area, the thread area. If you do so, that will cause trouble again, you'll fail in the work. So finally 1, 2 and 3 here we have fixed. Let's let it dry and then check its strength.
So finally, see, this properly fixed. Only a slight unfitment is there. It's inevitable, however. All the other areas are properly fixed. It's neatly closes and opens. You can see how nicely the work is done. And I didn't expect this much perfection. Though you could say typically we have saved some money for not getting replaced things. Still we can work with mouse and things, okay. However, the touchscreen is not working. That's okay, manageable. Okay, thank you for watching. How does it look now? Alright. Yeah, so touchscreen here it is working, but the other half no, it's not working. Only till this, yeah. So, but you can use mouse here. We have alternative ideas. You can also see how well this got fixed. Okay, going out of focus. Yeah. So very satisfying.